Welcome back to another geometry video. We're still constructing stuff. Let's go into today's lesson where we're looking at putting a perpendicular line through a point. Let's rock on. So here in front of you, we have got this particular situation. Now, unlike my last video, we're not looking at perpendicular bisectors. We're just looking at perpendicular lines that go through a specific point. And in this one, we've got the line AB. We need to do a perpendicular line that goes through C and goes down through the line AB. So let's go straight on to that. Now, before I do that, what I have to do is create a couple of points on the line AB that are equidistant from C. Now, in my last video, I talked about equidistant, and equidistant means it's the same distance away from C. So I've started by putting my compasses on C. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create 2 points on the line AB. All I'm doing is checking that my compass is going to give me a really good swing and it's going to go through the 2 points. Mark off the first one, mark off the second one, and those are my 2 points that are equidistant. If I go anywhere on those arcs, it's going to be the same distance away from the point C. But I'm not just going to go anywhere. I'm going to go where the arcs cut the line AB. All right, good. So now we're going to bisect those two, between those 2 points that are equidistant. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my compasses on the end where the arc and the line cross each other. Adjust it to make it a little bit smaller because we don't really need it too big. Just make sure that it's, more than half. So I know that that's more than half. That's fine. So I'm going to scribe an arc there. Make sure that this arc is light. You do get points, marks for these, so don't make it too dark, okay? Now, make sure the compasses don't change and go to the other side. So handle this with care, where the arc and the line cross each other, cross there. And just like that, I have got my reference point. So now I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to go down to the bottom here where that first 2 arcs cross each other. Make sure it goes through point C like so. Always check it. I'm happy with that. Line through, and there's my perpendicular line going through C, and it's perpendicular to the line AB. Let's double check though. I like double checking to make sure. So I'm going to stick my protractor on there and I'm going to check that. It's a perfect 90 degrees. I am happy with that. Okay, let's look at one other situation where that might come up. We're going to go to a problem like this. Now, on this particular problem, you can see that the point C is actually now on the line AB. It's not suspended in the air, but we still need to draw a line that's perpendicular and goes through C. So same thing, I need my compasses and I need to make 2 points that are equidistant from C. Equidistant meaning the same distance. Make sure it doesn't go past A too much. I'm just going to pull this back a little bit just to prove the point. So I'm going to now do an arc here, spin on that same point and do another arc there. Now where the arc cuts the line AB, that's definitely equidistant from C, meaning the same distance away. So I'm going to go to these 2 reference points here. So make sure you go on the first one where the line and the curve cut each other, and make sure you're really bang on it, okay? Then we're going to scribe an arc on the top there or at the bottom, doesn't matter, top or bottom, you can go whichever, but these compasses must not change the size now. It has to keep the same size. So now I'm going to scooch over here where the curve and the line cut each other again. Keep it precise, keep the blue lines light, cut an arc there, and I've just like that, I've got my 2 reference points. And I'm just going to now go to the first reference point there. I'm going to swing down to get through where C is. And I am happy with that. Bang on. And just like that, we have a perfect perpendicular. I'm going to check it. Always check it. Perfect 90 degree. That is sweet. Okay, and that brings us to the end of this video. Did you enjoy it? Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe below. If you have not rung that bell yet, ring that bell so that you always know when an upload has happened. But for now though, Until I see you on the next one, peace.